Hey guys, so we just got back from our Sam's Club pickup for our once a month grocery shopping. We have a little flub. We were supposed to pick it up yesterday while my husband was home with all of the kids. I just took Audrey out with me and ended up being a little bit late, and I didn't realize Sam's Club closes at 6 on Sundays, so we didn't make it there in time, so I had to take everybody inside to go pick up all of our stuff today, but we made it back. We've got some people in some not so great moods, so I'm gonna hurry up and just show you guys what we got at Sam's Club for the month of April. All right, so here we go. First, we got a huge thing of toothpaste. Colgate toothpaste is what we like. And then we've got two 32 packs of Go-Gurt. The kids like those for snacks. Quick and easy lunches. We got taquitos. Sit down, over.
And then burritos.
Yeah, we got a big pack of burritos.
And then Go-Gurt that all
This is Chobani. Everybody loves that. This is my Greek yogurt that I'm eating for the Trim Healthy Mama diet plan. I've got toilet paper. We got 4 big packs of ground turkey. They did not have my chicken breast. Can you believe that? So I had to order that from Walmart. They had no chicken breasts, frozen chicken breasts. We got 6 pounds of frozen meatballs because Mama ain't got time to cook meatballs. Some chicken nuggets for the kids.
good chicken nuggets.
2 big packs of Tyson grilled and ready chicken strips. Those are easy lunches for me.
And we got some
2 packs of Mexican shredded cheese.
And we got some.
Yep, I already showed that. We've got string cheese, sugar snap peas, carrots, bananas, my favorite spices, cumin, chili powder back there, Montreal chicken seasoning, 2 large things of garlic salad blend, 2 things of halos, 12 pounds of apples, a big pack of macaroni and cheese in some Ziploc bags, and some of the things that I ordered are coming in the mail as well. So I'm gonna go take care of my unhappy children. So here is our Walmart haul. The kids were really loud, so I had to mute it and do a voiceover. We ended up getting quite a bit at Walmart. It was a little over $300 total, I think. I will have everything over on simplelivingmama.com and the link down below in the description box. But yeah, the kids were really excited that we got new food. So let's get started with what we got. We got 4 pounds of brown rice. I got 4 18-count packs of eggs. Yes, they were very excited, as you can see. Some bread. I got 2 loaves of bread. We had some bread in the freezer already. These are my Joseph's pitas for my Trim Healthy Mama stuff. And I got some low-carb wraps, some orange juice, and some imitation caramel and butter extracts, some vanilla extracts, tuna, baking cocoa. I got a baby here with me. We got 4 gallons of milk, 2 containers of almond milk, my creamer, which is not Trim Healthy Mama approved, some ketchup. We will be getting more milk halfway through the month. 4 gallons is not going to be enough to get through the entire month. Let's see what else we've got. We got some Laughing Cow Swiss cheese, sliced mushrooms. I believe that's a bag of Parmesan cheese, cottage cheese, cream cheese, potatoes, zucchini, honey ham, bacon, sweet potatoes, blue corn chips, regular Tostitos chips, granola bars for the kids, some cabbage, some chocolate, baking chocolate, baby food, brownies for the kids to make, lots of tomato products. They were showing us the chips again. Let's see, pizza sauce, sugar-free pizza sauce, pumpkin for a recipe, Rotel, several other canned goods back there. I think my daughter is going to show us. Oh, she had to show us the goldfish first. That's kids' snack. Let's see what we had. Oh yeah, we got some cans of black beans, some tomato sauce, some canned salmon for salmon patties that I'm going to be making, some salsa, unsweetened applesauce, coconut oil, a spaghetti squash, the kids' cosmic brownies, cauliflower, okra, frozen seasoning blend, rice cauliflower, mixed berries, sausage patties, taco kits, old-fashioned oats, and our meat for the week. We got some stew meat, a roast, some hamburger meat, and I got 20 pounds of chicken breast. And yeah, I think that's it. If you want to see more grocery hauls, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.